Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another day, another vlog. As you guys know, it's summer season in Australia. Today it's gonna be fun day. I'm going to the beach with my friend Wafa. We're going to Broadbeach in Gold Coast. So I'm so excited because this is like my very first time gonna like swim there, because I've never swim in Australia yet. I've been to aquatic center but I never swim at the beach yet. I think there's shark in Gold Coast. I mean everywhere there's shark, right, in Australia, but I'm so excited.
Not many people. Oh my god. Ya Allah, cantiknya. We're here. It's like a private beach and I love this spot. Look at Wafa. Are you enjoying now? Yeah. Okay, you want to lari? Oh my god, it's so cool! Woo! Wait, look at the waves though. They're swimming. Wait, look at the waves. Oh my god! Jump, jump! Big waves is coming! I cannot stand it! Dengan cameraman macam ni. Oh my god. I know, right? Oh, so it definitely is cleaner. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
It was at this moment that he knew he up.
Oh no! Okay, I'm gonna pull away my seat. Are you okay? Yes. Okay. Let's go. Masakan you. Hola. This is fried rice for lunch. Same. Nak habis lah. And they got burger for lunch. Yeah.
Do they have the, what is Daytona? You know what Daytona is?
It's around at 160 something.
I don't know Daytona.
It's the one in
It's basically kind
of like a film camera, but it's reusable. You don't need a film for it. Just run with your phone.
Yeah, the outcome is really good.
Yeah, it's quite nice and it's sustainable. It's cheap and it's
How much is it?
effective, really.
How much is it?
I think I paid 169 weekdays, then it came with bag and lanyard.
Oh, okay. Nice. Yeah, good review.
Got lots of other
Yeah. Okay, this is my photographer. So where are we going?
I have no idea actually.
I heard that they're going to get bubble tea.
Oh yeah, probably.
Okay. So let's see. Okay, show me what you got.
So I bought this like milk tea. It's actually a creme brulee Oreo with oat milk because I like those. I didn't expect it to look like this.
Okay, try it. It looks sweet.
Not too sweet actually.
Yeah.
I was quite surprising.
Oh, okay, how is it?
Oh, good.
Yeah. Okay, ready? An 8 out of 10? Wow, that's quite good. Would you recommend to the others? Okay.
Yang boleh beli. Yesterday I go and buy.
I always say when I get off the I have to change the whole time of my which is a more. It is a more than you can solve. There's people are a little bit uncomfortable with reading.
Do we all remember
And also slavery mechanics.
the weed party, the weed party?
So, yeah, the second I found out that I know how that yeah.
Ada dah rasa.
I will say one increase of that. They were actually the ones that
Itu yang paling dekat.
Yeah, because this is so hard to counter. Because you can't really capture them because they're shooting at. And the infantry don't have enough. I thought that cavalry is. I don't think people like.
See you. Bye. Let's try this. I want to try this one. This is my bag. That's Wafa. For today's video, and thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe, like my video, and see you on the next video. Bye.